This video shows you how you can add a password in Windows 11 to help keep your computer protected from other members of staff or members of your family. If you're watching this as a short, tap on the thumbnail in the bottom right hand corner right now to see the full video. If you're already watching the full video, hang tight, more details coming up shortly. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So you might want to password protect your Windows 11 PC. Now this is not going to stop somebody who really wants to be able to get into your PC. It's quite easy to bypass a password on a Windows PC. If you've got the right knowledge and the right disk, you can do that. But it will stop other members of family from being able to get onto your PC or work colleagues, just really to give you that extra layer of security. So how do you do that? Well, on Windows 11, all you need to do is click on the start button at the bottom of the screen. That is the blue boxes at the bottom. If you're not sure, just move your mouse over the blue boxes, and like mine, it will come up with the message start if you've put your cursor over the right boxes. Left click once and then you'll get this or a similar menu appear, and then move your mouse over settings just up there. If you can't see settings, then where it's got type here to search, click in there and then just type settings. Okay, and hopefully after a few seconds under best match, you should see settings app. Move your mouse over that, left click once, then you're looking down the left hand side of the screen and you should now see apps. Now, if you don't see apps, then your settings box might be too short or too thin. So therefore you should hopefully see three horizontal lines at the top of the screen just to the left of the word settings, just up there. So left click that and there you should see accounts. Move your mouse over accounts, left click once, and then if you scroll down under account settings, you should see sign in options, and it should say Windows Hello, security key, password, dynamic lock. Move your mouse over that, left click once, and then scroll down and you should see password. Move your mouse over password, again left click once, and then it should say use a password to sign into Windows apps and services. Move your mouse over add just on the right there, left click, and now it's asking for a password. Now think hard about this, make the password reasonably complex. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to type the word discovery, and if you're not sure whilst you're typing it whether you've typed it correctly, then you can move your mouse over this little eye over there on the right and hold the left mouse button down, and there you go, you can check. As you can see, I've not typed it correctly. When I let go of that, it puts the dots back, but let's just delete the whole thing out and start again. And I've retyped it, click on that. Yes, I've typed it correctly. Then click into the box below that says confirm password, type the password again. It's asking here for a password hint. That is a word that would jog your memory, make you remember that password. So I'm going to put just D in there simply as a hint for me to which password it is. Now, if I click next, now bear in mind, I've typed the password in wrong the second time in the confirm password box, and there you go, it comes up and it says the passwords that you entered do not match, try again. So let's just correct that. Let's just see what I typed. I put the number 8 at the end of it, so let's just delete the number 8, click next, and here we go. It says next time you sign in, use your new password. So click finish, and now it's changing the password. So this might take a few seconds, or it's setting a new password in my case. So let's just check that. So I'm going to click on the cross in the top right hand corner to close down the settings box, and let's click on the Windows flag at the bottom of the screen. That's the blue boxes. Click on your name or your login name just down there. And when we click on that, there you go, it gives us the option to sign out. So let's click on sign out. Going to let the computer sign out now, and we're going to try and sign in and test our new password. Okay, so here we are, we're at the password prompt. Now, if you did see the clock appear on the screen like this, then just tap any key on the keyboard, that's any key, or left click the mouse, and then the password prompt will come up. And now let's just try typing in our password. And again, if we want to check what we've typed in, we can click and hold the little eye there, and there you go, that tells us what we've typed in. And then all we need to do is press enter or return on the keyboard, or click on the arrow just there. And hopefully, if we've typed in the correct password, then it should say welcome, and it should then sign us into our computer. So there you go. I hope this guide helped, and if it did, why not stick around? Have a look through my YouTube channel. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully, whilst you're here, you'll find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. Also, if you're looking for a VPN or a Fire TV stick or a Fire TV Cube, have a look in the description of this video. I've got some great deals for you down there. And also, if you use the links in the description, it really does help support this channel.